What are some secret recipes that you can give us to boost our immune system?
So my favorite things to boost my immune system is, number one, sleeping is really, really, really key. The second is using doTERRA On Guard is my favorite tea. So I usually take a cup of hot water and I put a couple drops of On Guard in it. I actually use it in my toothpaste too, in my secret recipe. And it works really great because it has a lot of different spices in there to raise the temperature in our body and boost our immune system. The last thing that I recommend is actually heat. So like sauna or hot yoga, especially during Surya Namaskars, are great because again, we are generating heat in our body. So when we're doing Surya Namaskars in the morning, it really activates our body to increase the blood flow, also the lymph to take out any bad stuff, and also raise our body temperature, which again fights any bug.
What is the
Surya Namaskars yoga.
Yoga. Oh, great.
Yeah.
I will have to do some more yoga.
Yes.